Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get Monzo phone insurance. So let's get started. The process is quick and simple. You just have to follow the steps in this video. Step number 1, upgrade your Monzo account to either the premium or maximum plan. Both plans automatically include for insurance. Now move to the step number 2. Coverage starts immediately after upgrading as long as phone is eligible. If your phone is not eligible, get it registered. Register your model, IMEI number and purchase date through the insurance portal to simplify future claims. Then move to the step number 3. In the Monzo application, go to your plan details to view coverage limit, accessories, excess fee and their rates. You can claim up to 2 years in premium plan or 4 per year for maximum family plan. Now we are going to step number 4, and that is making a claim. You can start a claim through the Monzo application or by calling their mentioned number. For damage or faults, you have two options. You can arrange collection and repair for Euro 50 service or Euro 75, or drop off at DBD location and pay only Euro 75. For lost and stolen phones, you also have two options. You can get same-day replacement or standard delivery. For same-day replacement, if approved by 1 p.m., you have to pay Euro 50 or Euro 75 excess, and you will be able to get same-day replacement. For standard delivery option, you will get your phone in 1 to 3 days, just Euro 75 excess. Upgrade to a premium or max plan and you will get comprehensive phone insurance included with easy online claims. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.